Hey Tube, haven't done a video in a while, so I thought I'd do one. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm home alone again, and you're out hanging with your friends. So you say, somehow I know it's not quite that way. It's getting pretty late, and you haven't checked on me all day. When I call, you didn't answer, and now I'm feeling like you're ignoring me. I wish that you were home, holding me tight in your arms, and I wish I could go back to the day before we met and skip my regrets. And I wish I wasn't in love with you, so you couldn't hurt me. And it just ain't fair the way you treat me. No, you don't deserve me. I wasted my time thinking about you, 'cause you ain't never gonna change. And I wish I wasn't in love with you, so I wouldn't feel this way.